So really quick, uh, just want to give a quick demo here. There is a company out there that is doing some really sus stuff, and through some very sad circumstances yesterday, I had the need to create code that could be used to generate an image of a QR code that could be uh, have enough error correction and everything to be engraved on a tombstone. And check out the project here. And the code is open source AGPL. I've added a no AI exception because I think, well, to be perfectly blunt, I'm on the side of humans, and I also think it'll be a great landmine for anybody stupid enough to try to use it for their AI. I want to see how that works. You'll see what I mean when you check it out. Um, and basically, what it comes down to is you can now create QR codes as needed. You got full ability to just change the error correction, deal with different code versions. Everything is set up correctly. And so the real issue here is that there's a company out there that's charging people to make QR codes. And I got so angry about that that I decided to replace them with a small shell script. So check that out.